Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make the basic savory crepe. So we started straight away with 10 eggs. 10 eggs, then inside we put 15 grams of salt inside. After that, 350 grams of white flour, zero. Put all inside at once. Very important to try to remove the lumps as well inside. Okay. But after, we're going to strain it, so it won't be a problem. After what you do, I have 1 liter of full cream milk. Okay. Put some at a time, not all together, because to prevent the lumps inside. For that, we add some more. We add the rest of the milk. When you see it already, there's no more lumps, and here we go. Okay. Now we mix it well. 15 ml of sunflower oil inside. Very simple recipe. Now after, we will have to strain the mix in case there is excess of flour inside. There we go. Okay, so after 5 minutes, now we're going to start frying the crepes. So what I like to do is I use tissue paper for the oil to grease the pan with. When the pan is hot, with the louche, put in the center the crepe batter, and then roll it all over the edge. Okay, that's it. With a spatula, flip it over. When it's golden brown like this, the crepe is it's perfect. Okay. Use another plate. Okay. To flip it over. Here we go. That is 1 crepe. In the crepes, you can use different type of filling like ham and cheese, spinach and feta, mushroom and cheese, smoked salmon and cream cheese. If you are into more protein, you can use chicken and pesto, tuna inside. Vegetable option, you can use even roasted vegetables, caramelized onion and brie cheese, or even you can use it as like a curries. For breakfast, egg and bacon, sausage and potatoes. You can even use for sweet desserts fillings as well. That's all for today, guys. I hope you have learned something new. Please, if you like such video, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.